Exporting purchase orders from QuickBooks Online can feel slow, especially during month-end, vendor reviews, or cleanup work. In this video, I'll show you how to export purchase orders quickly from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt so you can get a clean Excel or CSV file in minutes.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you'll land SaasAnt dashboard.
After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, click Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Purchase Orders from the Transaction dropdown.
Next, select your date type. Transaction date for the date the purchase order was placed, created date for when the purchase order was added to QuickBooks, last updated date to track changes made to the entry.
Set your date range, then choose a template. The default simple mapping works right away, or you can create a custom template to control which fields are exported. After that, if you need more control, open Advanced Options. Here you can filter by total amount, use Show Records from Start At, or search by reference number. If you want line-level details, turn on Detailed Report Multi-Lines. Now click Search to load the purchase orders. Review the results, select the purchase orders you want, and click Download. Choose CSV for a simple file or XLSS for Excel. Then your export is ready for reporting, vendor review, or sharing. Start with the free trial to export purchase orders faster using better filters and reusable templates without digging through multiple QuickBooks reports.